Hello everyone, we're going to do a new type of test. So it's going to be the GoPro Hero 7 against my Samsung S9 Plus. Now what I'm testing is to see how good the camera is compared to the Hero 7 and the S9 Plus. So GoPro, they brag a lot about the camera on the Hero 7. It's supposed to be improved, it has HDR and everything. So we're going to see how well it compares to the S9 Plus and if it's worth taking better pictures. Okay, so in this test I described what took the picture, which camera, the shutter speed, the f-stop, how wide of a focal it was, which is the same through all the pictures, and the ISO. So I tried different variables and tried to get as close to the picture like as the same as possible, such as how far away it was from the subject. It's kind of hard when the GoPro has a 3mm lens. So, anyways, try to get as close as possible. Some things I noticed: um, the S9 Plus was able to get closer, focus closer, which I was surprised of. So I was able to get some pictures with S9 Plus, but I couldn't with the GoPro because the S9 was just closer, which doesn't make quite as much sense to me. But anyways, and then the S9 Plus also has the f-stop at 2.4, which is pretty good compared to GoPro's 2.8. Not shooting down GoPro, 2.8 is still a great shot. But anyways, I will say GoPro's, the Hero 7, did a lot better of auto adjusting everything because both of these were on auto. I gotta say, GoPro did a lot better because there's sometimes the S9 Plus just didn't perform as good as the GoPro. Now, both of these are very good cameras. Would I take out the GoPro Hero 7 just for pictures? I would not. I'm totally satisfied with the S9 Plus, its picture taking capabilities, but the GoPro, if you're trying to go for a little bit more pro, and you don't have a DSLR, something like that, GoPro does great as well. It does kind of suck at times, that the GoPro shoots a 4:3 format compared to S9 where you have a lot of different options. The GoPro's colors, though, especially like right here, the sign, once it changes the GoPro, you can see that it just outperforms the S9 Plus. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.